Just a decade ago, the idea of a completely robotized army sounded like pure science fiction. Today, China has turned that fantasy into the most terrifying military reality on the planet. But how is it possible that they've managed to create war machines that surpass human soldiers in practically everything? And why are military experts around the world so concerned? The answer is going to leave you frozen. China has secretly invested more than $250 billion to develop military robots that know no fear, fatigue, or compassion. We're talking about technologies so advanced that they're completely redefining what modern warfare means. In this video, I'm going to show you the 8 most shocking robots in the Chinese military arsenal. Weaponry so revolutionary that when you get to number 1, you'll understand why world superpowers are so afraid. Number 8. GJ-11 Sharp Sword. Did you know there's a drone that can eliminate targets without anyone knowing it was there? The GJ-11 Sharp Sword is China's first fully autonomous stealth drone. But what makes this flying machine so special? Let me explain. This aerial robot can fly for more than 4 consecutive hours without needing a human pilot. Its angular design and special materials make it practically invisible to enemy radars. Imagine a metal ghost soaring through the skies, capable of eliminating targets without anyone knowing it was there. The most surprising thing about the Sharp Sword is its artificial intelligence system. It can identify, track, and eliminate targets completely independently. Terrifying? Maybe. Revolutionary? Definitely. With a payload of 200 kilograms of weaponry and a cruise speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour, this robot represents the first step toward an era where machines will decide who lives and who dies on the battlefield. China has already produced more than 50 units and plans to expand the fleet to 200 by the year 2026. Number 7. Li-1 Laser Weapon. Remember the Star Wars movies with those lightsabers? Well, China has brought that fantasy into military reality with the Ly-1 laser weapon. This laser defense system can shoot down enemy drones at a distance of up to 2 kilometers in less than 5 seconds. How does it work? Simple. It generates a concentrated light beam so powerful that it literally melts any object it touches. The most impressive thing about the Ly-1 is its surgical precision. While a traditional missile can cause massive collateral damage, this laser can specifically eliminate a drone's engine without affecting anything else. It's like having a giant scalpel that operates at the speed of light. The cost per shot is practically zero. It only needs electricity. Compare it to an interceptor missile that costs $100,000 each, and you'll understand why China has invested $2 billion in perfecting this technology. They already have 12 Ly-1 systems deployed at strategic military bases, and each one can perform up to 1,000 shots per day. Number 6. Agibot Robot Army. Soldiers who never get tired, never feel fear, and can work 24 hours without stopping. The Agibot humanoid robots are turning this fantasy into China's new military reality. These mechanical soldiers measure 1.75 meters tall, weigh 53 kilograms, and look like real humans, but with superhuman capabilities. They can carry up to 80 kilograms of military equipment, walk bipedally through complex terrain, and perform combat tasks with millimetric precision for hours without rest. However, the most terrifying thing of all is their programmed sacrifice capability. As officially declared by the People's Liberation Army, humanoid robots can serve as decoys to attract enemy fire, even voluntarily sacrificing themselves to protect humans. Agibot has already produced more than 1,000 units, with plans for mass production by 2025. China envisions these robots as the definitive solution to reduce human losses in street combat, especially thinking about future conflicts with Taiwan. Number 5. WZ-9 Divine Eagle. American stealth aircraft boast of being invisible to any radar, but there's a Chinese machine that can detect them as if they were paper planes, the WZ-9 Divine Eagle. This giant with a 15-meter wingspan can fly at 25,000 meters altitude for more than 10 consecutive hours. Its superpower? A quantum radar system that can see objects invisible to traditional technologies. The Divine Eagle uses a network of interconnected sensors that create a real-time 3D map of airspace. It can simultaneously track up to 500 different targets within a 600-kilometer radius. It's like having a giant eye floating in the sky that never blinks. The most impressive thing is its coordination capability. Multiple divine eagles can work in a network, creating a virtually impenetrable surveillance barrier. China plans to deploy 200 of these drones by 2027, creating a surveillance network that will cover the entire South China Sea. Each unit costs approximately $80 million, but China considers it a minimal investment compared to the $3 billion a traditional aircraft carrier would cost. Number 4. Norinco exoskeleton. Have you ever dreamed of being Iron Man? Well, the Chinese Army's Norinco exoskeleton is turning that dream into reality for its soldiers. This robotic exoskeleton allows a soldier to carry up to 200 additional kilograms without feeling fatigue. How is it possible? The suit redistributes weight through hydraulic servo motors that amplify human strength at a ratio of 1 to 10. A soldier equipped with this exoskeleton can run at 25 kilometers per hour for 6 consecutive hours, jump 3-meter-high walls, and lift objects up to 500 kilograms. Additionally, the suit includes complete ballistic protection and advanced communication systems. The most surprising thing is its power system. Lithium batteries that last 72 continuous hours. The exoskeleton also includes aiming servo systems that increase shooting accuracy by 300% and reduce recoil from heavy weapons. China has already produced 500 units of these exoskeletons, with plans to equip 5,000 elite soldiers by 2026. Each unit costs $2 million, but transforming regular soldiers into super soldiers seems to completely justify the investment. Number 3. Patria Nemo. What would happen if a machine could decide on its own who to shoot and when to do it? Welcome to the Patria Nemo autonomous artillery system, something truly terrifying. The Patria Nemo is essentially a completely robotized cannon that can operate without human intervention for weeks. It can fire 120mm projectiles at targets located up to 10 kilometers away with millimetric precision. Its artificial intelligence system can process information from multiple sources: satellites, drones, ground sensors, and even intercept enemy communications. Once it identifies a target, it automatically calculates the trajectory, loads the appropriate projectile, and executes the shot in less than 15 seconds. The most chilling thing is its adaptive learning capability. Each shot improves its aiming algorithm, making it more lethal with each combat. It can alternate between different types of ammunition: explosive, incendiary, fragmentation, or even EMP projectiles to neutralize electronic equipment. China has deployed 200 Patria Nemo systems on the border with India and plans to install 500 more in strategic locations. Each system can perform up to 50 shots per hour completely autonomously, turning entire battlefields into automated death zones. Number 2. Robo-wolves. Can you imagine being chased by a pack of mechanical wolves in the middle of the night? The robo-wolves are the most terrifying robots in the Chinese arsenal, and you're about to find out why. These quadruped combat robots are specifically designed for urban combat and night operations. Each robo-wolf can run at 45 kilometers per hour, jump 2-meter obstacles, and operate in complete silence thanks to their cushioned paws. What makes these robots truly terrifying is their swarm intelligence. They can coordinate like real wolves, surround targets, execute ambushes, and even sacrifice individual units to achieve superior tactical objectives. Each robo-wolf is equipped with 12.7mm machine guns, grenade launchers, and thermal vision sensors that make them lethal both day and night. Their armor can withstand assault rifle fire, and their battery allows them to operate for 12 continuous hours. China has already built 1,000 robo-wolves and plans to produce 5,000 more before 2028. Each unit costs $500,000, but their effectiveness in urban combat makes them any enemy army's nightmare. Can you imagine facing a pack of 50 robotic wolves in city streets? Number 1. RTG Rolling Robot. Can you imagine a spherical robot that can chase criminals at 35 kilometers per hour? The RTG rolling robot isn't just the most shocking robot in the Chinese army. It's a complete revolution in tactical robotics. Get ready because this is going to blow your mind. This 125-kilogram spherical robot looks like something out of Star Wars, but it's completely real and operational. It can accelerate from 0 to 35 kilometers per hour in just 1.5 seconds across any terrain: sand, snow, rocks, water, and even stairs. It can withstand impacts of up to 4 tons without suffering damage and operate amphibiously for hours. Its gyroscopic stabilization makes it practically unstoppable in the most adverse conditions. But the most shocking thing is that it's equipped with tear gas, capture nets, stunning acoustic systems, and night vision cameras. Its artificial intelligence can identify, chase, and immobilize targets completely autonomously. Incredible, right? These 8 Chinese military robots aren't just war machines. They represent a complete revolution in the way we understand modern combat. From invisible drones to mechanical wolves, China is building an army that seems straight out of the future. China's total investment in military robotics exceeds $500 billion, and these are only the technologies we know about publicly. Now tell me, what do you think about these military robots? Leave me your comment and don't forget to subscribe for more content about military technology that's changing the world. See you in the next video.